साजन 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 मेरे साजन तेरी दुल्हन
रोहन
वेट तेरी दुल्हन सजाऊंगी तेरी दुल्हन सजाऊंगी. How come you have not
झालं मन भरलं.
but how come you haven't heard this song?
I haven't.
अरे यार अक्षय, have you heard this song? No, he's saying over here from your. अरे यार, it's so much trending on reels and it comes from the OG Bollywood era यार.
Which one?
I think the film's name was Barsat. It starred Bobby Deol, Priyanka Chopra and Bipasha Basu.
बरसात.
Yeah. There was a Barsat which in the 90s also.
हाँ.
With Twinkle Khanna. That was a different film. इसमें ये दोनों and Bobby Deol is there.
And still you don't like to watch movies in theatre.
No, but who said that yaar? It's just that
I
I've become
mean-
lazy to go and watch it in the theatre because we have a choice yaar today कि घर बैठे भी OTT पे देखेंगे या
Yeah.
that way. No, but on a very serious note, because of that we have lost track of songs like these yaar.
I mean मेरे को ना थोड़ा सा ये हो रहा है कि how come I don't know this song.
No, I'm going to send you the link.
मेरा
and-
ईगो हर्ट हो रहा है मेजर.
No. तेरी दुल्हन सजाऊंगी. Imagine those kind of
Cringe.
No, cringe तो अभी हम उसको बोलते हैं, but we used to watch such kind of films and such kind of songs हम actually बड़े पर्दे पे देखते थे
Yeah.
उस वक्त.
Actually we have lived through both eras. Balcony tickets and now buffering circles.
Yeah.
And-
OTT.
Yeah. And वो you remember they used to sell tickets black में.
Black में यार. उन लोगों का क्या
10
हुआ
20
होगा
50
यार?
का. Yeah.
ब्लैक वालों.
I
तो my
know.
mom was asking me one just randomly, she just like अरे वो ब्लैक वालों को अब क्या हुआ होगा यार?
Probably they are living in bungalows now.
अच्छा, okay.
If they have
Yeah.
invested that money
Yeah,
rightly,
yeah.
probably पता नहीं.
No, but such a nostalgia honestly right now when we are talking about this because क्या ज़माना था यार, like you know, going to a theater. We used to be just so excited when dad used to purchase there was no Book My Show that time,
Yeah.
so somebody had to go and actually purchase it at the window.
Yeah.
So dad used to say हाँ 4 tickets are booked,
हाँ.
3 tickets are booked,
It
3
used to be an
PM, 6
event,
PM जो
right?
भी, and उसके बाद lunch dinner जो भी
हाँ,
करेंगे. It
तो
used to be an
proper
event यार.
हाँ.
And so excited, and then अरे चलो ये दोस्त है इसको भी लेके जाएंगे.
हाँ.
You know, बालकनी का चाहिए या नीचे का चाहिए.
And then वो छोटा सा popcorn का ये interval में
अरे
and those
यार,
samosas
and
यार.
what not.
And वो wafers आते थे. ऐसे
Yeah, those
ऐसे
wafers,
oily,
oily. in that
smelly.
plastic का this thing, no, there used to be.
Yeah,
Oh no, I
yeah.
think there used to be anyway.
नहीं,
and, but
हाँ.
yeah.
My
क्या
God.
ज़माना था. I remember I'd watched बहुत पुरानी बात नहीं है, but Cocktail film 2012.
हाँ.
We all of us we wanted to watch that film and we were not getting tickets. Finally City Light जो है माटुंगा,
हाँ.
we got the first row
हाँ.
और हमने वो देखी है picture.
That time I must have seen it 3-4 times and अभी few months ago I again watched it in theatre.
Which film?
Cocktail.
Cocktail was in the theaters.
Yeah, अरे
अच्छा.
old movies are coming back.
अच्छा. see,
ये
that is-
जवानी है दीवानी अभी भी लास्ट वैलेंटाइंस पे आई सॉ ये जवानी है दीवानी ओके और उसके नेक्स्ट शो था जब वी मेट सो आई सॉ
Those are iconic films यार. Cocktail wasn't that great a film यार.
या बट स्टिल वो
honestly.
व्हिच सॉन्ग कहीं दिन माय गॉड आई यूज्ड टू लव
right
दैट
now I'm just going to sing sajan sajan sajan
स्टॉप
mere
इट
sajan mere sajan. No, but on a very serious note, वो ज़माना ही कुछ अलग था. तब ज़्यादा चॉइस भी नहीं था. ओनली चॉइस वाज घर बैठे सेट मैक्स पे कभी कोई फिल्म आ जाए तो बस वो देख लेना. दैट आल्सो यूज्ड टू बी अ बिग थिंग ऑनेस्टली.
और हम लोग के टाइम दूरदर्शन पे
हाँ.
you know whenever a film would come like it even that used to be an event कि अब पहले पता चलता था ना कि
Yeah,
this
इतने
it's
time,
going to be
yeah,
telecast on
at this time,
at
yeah.
this time तो हम लोग ऐसे सब बैठ जाते थे then पकोड़ास then कुछ ऐसे फरसान ऐसे
What a
लेके
time, man.
those were the days
Those were the days. Yeah,
and you
absolutely.
remember the single screen whistles
Ah, yes, of course.
and वहाँ पे से फिर people would dance also that was just so much fun yeah
And even हीरो के एंट्री पे विसल,
Yeah,
हीरोइन के एंट्री पे
yeah.
विसल, विलन के एंट्री पे
हाँ,
विसल.
हाँ.
What a time. It was a very different time altogether. But
Yeah.
what has changed? Is it COVID? Is it today we have so many options?
No, but as multiplexes have come, people have spending ability. सो अभी मल्टीप्लेक्सेस में यू गेट थोड़ा आराम का और सीट्स मिलते
तो
हैं,
वो तो
देन दैट
ठीक है, बट
atmosphere is different.
see, you are an exception who goes and watches every film in the theater
Yeah,
because
yeah.
you like to eat popcorn. That's why.
Popcorn, samosas,
Samosas,
first
हाँ,
primarily, and then popcorn.
But a person like me who used to be a big Bollywood buff and who used to go and watch any film that used to be released with parents, with friends, whatever. Like I've watched films like what Cash and all also. You remember there was a film
Yeah,
called
yeah,
Cash with
yeah.
it was fun.
Hmm.
वो जाके थिएटर में देखो, कंट्रीब्यूट करो, अरे 100 रुपए किसके पास, जो यू नो दैट थिंग आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट. That innocence, that kind of novelty, that kind of thrill
हाँ.
is gone today.
हाँ. I still remember my first ever movie was Nehle Pe Dehla.
हाँ.
And I watched it with my uncle.
Huh?
And it was my first movie, so you can imagine the excitement. And that time पार्ला में 2 थिएटर्स हुआ करते थे, शान एंड वेंकटेश करके. नहीं सॉरी, वेंकटेश एंड लक्ष्मी.
Okay.
ओल्ड टाइम थिएटर्स जहाँ पे चूहे भी ऐसे घूमते थे. Literally, yeah. So I remember that, and then I wanted to watch Dada Kunke film Ram Ram Ganga Ram, and I couldn't get ticket that time.
अरे.
And like we tried for black में tickets, but that also we couldn't get.
अरे.
And I was like, "She kya yaar?" And of course, that time watching a movie was a luxury.
Yeah, yes.
Okay.
That's also a good point you
Yeah,
actually
yeah.
mentioned. Somebody at the gym was telling me he's above 60.
Huh.
And we were talking about Dhurandhar, which has like
Yeah.
quite set the records
Yeah,
today.
yeah.
And I don't think there is anyone who hasn't watched the movie.
Yeah.
So he was telling me that, Arey Rohan, during our days, it was not everyone's cup of tea to actually go and watch films
Yeah.
in the theater. It
Yeah.
was like a big thing.
Yeah.
मतलब टैक्सी से जाओ और मूवी देख के खा के आ जाओ was like once in few months.
Huh.
Yeah, once in 6 months wala Karnama this used to be.
Yeah.
So I'm like, what a zamana meant that used to
I
be.
still remember my husband, he was such a nautanki. Actually, he had a group, okay? And that time we had not met, but he told me later. तो वो लोग क्या करते थे पता है, लाइक ये तो ऐसे फेंट होने की उसने एक्टिंग की कि फेंट हो गया. सो सबसे 10 रुपए लिए, जिसके पास 5-10 रुपए लेके, and then they collected the money, and there were 4-5 friends, okay, and enough cash बनने के बाद, and he acted that he has fainted. तो लोगों को अरे चल इसको लेके जाना पड़ेगा, और इमेजिन कि खुद का हॉस्पिटल होके भी his father was a doctor, तो हम लोग का हॉस्पिटल पार्ला वेस्ट में ही है, but still everybody contributed.
But for what? For treatment?
For movie.
But faint होने का नाटक ही did
Because they wanted money.
But faint होने के बाद पैसा क्यों कोई देगा?
अरे
That's what
क्यों?
I'm saying. दवाई लेने के लिए?
हाँ, दवाई
अच्छा अच्छा
रिक्शा
okay.
से कौन लेके जाएगा?
अच्छा वैसे.
And like people gave them money, and then सब पैसा जमने के बाद then अरे हाँ, okay, I'm
Now
okay
I'm
now.
okay now.
And
अच्छा.
these people went and watched movie, yaar.
And what movie was it ultimately?
I don't remember. And they went to town and they watched some
क्या
random
बात है?
movie, yaar.
But imagine like when my dad was in college, there were films like Jitendra and Sridevi, those kind of
हाँ.
films. वो कुछ अलग ही time zone था यार. They used to
तोहफा,
watch those.
तोहफा.
तोहफा लाया. And later also the
Those
90s.
Jitendra के moves, Govinda.
Govinda's films, Amitabh Bachchan's films must have been
Yeah.
such a treat
Yeah.
at that time, वो posters भी उस जमाने में जो थे ना, they used to be drawn, I feel like.
Yeah.
They were not printed per se.
Hand-painted.
Hand painted.
Yeah.
My God, what an industry that was.
Yeah.
Even watching Hollywood films at that time was like a prestige.
Wow. I had watched Top Guns that time, town में.
Huh.
Oh my God, I had major crush on Tom
Tom
Cruise.
Cruise. Yeah. Everybody has had. ना?
Yeah. And अभी OTT पे क्या मजा आता है यार लोगों
No,
को.
कुछ, yeah.
And for me, like if I like किसी दरवाजे पे बेल बजी, नहीं तो फिर मम्मा भूख लगी है, मम्मा ये करो वो करो. I don't want any kind of disturbance
That's
while I'm
true.
watching.
Yeah.
a
That
movie.
happens. Like, see, I'll be very honest with you. Unless I really want to watch a film in the theater, like Dhurandhar था, या फिर उससे पहले तो I don't even remember which film. Jurassic World, I watched it in the theater.
Okay.
Unless I really want to watch it in the theater, I don't prefer now going there because उठ के कौन जाने वाला है?
Come on.
That's one thing. वहाँ जाने के बाद then we've also developed that thing कि यार इतने लोग हमारे आसपास होंगे. I don't know what that thing, that nonsense. And also the other thing is, what if I don't like this film? What if I get bored? तो मैं उठ के जा नहीं सकता यार. मतलब जाने
You have that option.
but that is not good, no, if I've paid that much money. But whereas if I'm watching it at home, I can watch it at my own comfort. I can literally watch it at any hour I want. I can spread it between 3 days. That's the advantage.
But
I
what's
like.
the fun?
The fun is just watching the story of it. And
Don't you lose that link? Abhi web series and
I
all,
think they're creating content in a way that you won't lose link.
I don't know. Somehow I really don't. You can call me old school, but I really
But
don't.
you are
enjoy.
old school.
Yeah, I am.
And I'm not apologizing for that.
तो वो थिएटर का मजा एक अलग होता है, and it's you can't compare it with OTT.
Yeah. No, there was a film called Khuda Gawah. It had Amitabh Bachchan and
Amitabh,
Sridevi.
yeah.
That film was the first film apparently which had surround sound system, Dolby. तो इमेजिन उस वक्त लोगों को क्या एक्सपीरियंस हुआ होगा, उसमें वो घोड़े वगैरह हैं, एंड देन यू नो दैट सराउंड साउंड थिंग, एंड नाउ nobody will understand the novelty of it.
Yeah.
Like I watched Jurassic World last year, which is of course वो तो मैं थिएटर में ही देखता, लेकिन I mean, I have seen a lot of movies like that. But imagine a boy who's seeing that for the very first time in a theater. तो उसके लिए वो जो साउंड इफेक्ट्स का भी एक्सपीरियंस है
And
ना,
3D, 4D.
3D, 4D and sound effects का experience.
Of course,
and
3D, 4D
everything.
you can, of course, you can enjoy from home also. You get those glasses and all, you can
But
enjoy.
that no,
but लेकिन
यार,
मजा
no,
नहीं
no,
आता
no,
यार.
no,
अभी
no.
धुरंधर, you tell me honestly, would you enjoy an OTT?
Not at all. My mom watched it on OTT, but and I wanted to watch it again with her, but I मुझे मजा नहीं आया on the small screen.
Because you saw it in the theater first, na? So that's why.
That's maybe that is the reason. And I think one I talked about was patience level, that we keep scrolling our phone. You know, because of OTT and because of web, what has happened is हमारा patience
Retention
level बहुत कम
level,
हो गया है. तो
length,
even have you noticed? While watching anything, no, you still feel like scrolling the phone.
That happens with me also. Like even while watching in the movie in the theater, I'm still at times scrolling कि क्या किसी का मैसेज आया है क्या, what is Insta update, ये वो होते रहता है ना. I hate myself for that. But
it's
ठीक
just
है.
inevitably happening between us, invariably actually.
Yeah.
But अब क्या करें? I mean, that's how it is.
But you can't forget the collective reaction, laughter, claps, gas, then those jump scare moments, you know, that you can enjoy.
जो साथ में करते थे, family, friends के साथ. And also the interval वाला discussion. कैसा लगा? How did you find? And I also have this observation. Once the film is done, generally during the end credits there is some music.
Yeah.
हाँ, तो वो म्यूजिक में ना everybody sings. I don't know, everybody just sings in that music. And हम exit भी उसी तरह करते हैं. You know, we are in that zone of that film and that music. वो end credits ऐसे चल रहे हैं, and you're walking in in sync with that music.
I wait till the credits because being a dubbing artist, I have great respect for
post production and other people.
Yeah. So I
पर्दे
wait
के पीछे.
till the screen becomes dark.
अरे बाप रे.
I mean the plain.
I got it. I understood what you're saying.
Because I have great respect for other. They are also the. I mean, they are also the filmmakers.
Yes.
In true sense.
पर्दे के
right?
पीछे, like I said, it's
And abhi, see, earlier dubbing artists wouldn't get any credits, but abhi, thanks to Netflix, we get credits.
Yeah. हमारे नाम आते हैं. Everybody dubbing artist रोहन फंड से नाम आता है Netflix end में.
रिद्धिमा वेलनेटकर भी आता है.
ये आता है. साजन 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 मेरे साजन मेरे.
So you want to end it like this?
We can think about
See,
some
कोई
other
सजनी
cringe
आ
song.
ना जाए.
क्या यार? He's getting 2 in that film यार. And the girl is crying. कि तेरी शादी इससे हो रही है लेकिन उसको मैं सजाऊंगी. That's what she's saying. यहाँ एक नहीं है सजने के लिए. That is how it is.
And do you ever imagine your life like a Bollywood movie? Are you a dreamer? I am.
Not anymore. Earlier, I think I used to also assign friends and cousins as equivalent to some actor or actress. At that time, like for example, one of my cousin sister, she's like Kareena Kapoor.
Acha, that way.
Say for example, I am Hrithik Roshan. You know, that way I used to compare, and then we are starring in a film.
No, I create my own film. I'm the heroine.
But that Bollywood taught us, yaar.
Yeah.
And that time, although Bollywood it was unrealistic, let's be honest, most
Huh.
of it, but still it felt so nice. It just
Yeah.
felt we didn't criticize it. जैसे अब होता है ना, ये क्या दिखा रहे हैं, what nonsense this
I mean,
Bollywood is showing
everybody
us
has
and
become
everything.
like expert. Like,
Yeah.
please appreciate that so much efforts have gone in that
Yeah.
making that film.
I mean,
I don't like people criticizing. "ये क्या है? इसमें क्या है?
हाँ,
ये
yeah.
है? ये क्या story
I
है?"
mean, that's the reason why all these films are iconic. Whether it is Dhoom 2, whether it is Dhoom, whether it is Bluffmaster, or
Yeah.
it is Wake Up Sid, these kind of films. Up
Yeah.
until probably Dil Dhadakne Do. You know, these are all ZNMD.
Yeah.
Dil Chahta Hai. These are very iconic
"ए
films.
दिल है मुश्किल."
Khosla Ka Ghosla.
Yeah.
These are Dil Hai Mushkil, seriously.
I have seen maybe 30
Oh
times.
my god, and you're still alive here.
I love the
God.
film. I love
Anyway,
the film.
चलो तेरे लिए तो वही सही. My God. Okay. तो anyway, but what I'm trying to say is those films, that's why seem to be very iconic and very close to our hearts.
Yeah.
अभी की फिल्म कब आई कब गई, we just don't
Yeah.
understand.
Actually, that is one more problem. Like, now even Marathi movies, there are so many wonderful
Wonderful
Marathi
films,
movies,
yes.
but they are not getting screens.
Hmm.
That's another.
That's a very sad thing. Yeah. And Marathi films are
Actually,
really nice.
they are many a times they are even better than Bollywood films.
100%.
Yeah.
And better actors and everything
Yeah.
is just so better.
Yeah.
And Marathi has a lot of scope actually.
Yeah.
It's just that I don't know, इतना सब कुछ होने के बाद, and although we are proud of मराठी असण्याबद्दल आपल्याला अभिमान आहे and all of that, पण तरीही I still feel like people don't go and actually watch them in the theaters.
Yeah.
You know?
Because they are not getting screens.
Screens is one thing,
and
Ridhima.
time.
I also feel like there is no awareness only.
Huh.
And budget, like I have interviewed cinematographer Mr. Mahesh Limaye, who's also a director.
Yeah, I know.
In his interview, he has mentioned one thing. When he was shooting for Bajirao Mastani. He's a well-known cinematographer,
Yes,
and he has
yes.
done all Sanjay Leela Bhansali's films. So he's saying वहाँ पे costumes का जो budget था, उस budget में एक अच्छी मराठी फिल्म भी बन सकती है. Can you imagine the parity
Yeah.
in the budget? So this is the problem here. But we have films like Dashavtar, or which have been released recently. Valvi. They have done excellent job.
Yeah.
Baipan Bhari Deva.
Oh.
Jimma was there. There was another film that was long back. Me Shivaji Raje Bhosle bolte hain. So there are certain films that come.
Yeah.
Sairat, obviously, not to mention.
सैराट से तो और हिंदी मूवी भी
Yes,
करण
बन गई
जौहर
उसके
ने
बाद, all of that.
धड़क.
So, but we need more of that.
Yeah.
तो वैसी बात
And South Indian movies. I love
It's a
South
different
Indian
industry, completely.
songs. Yeah.
Yeah.
उन लोग का जो music and all, it's phenomenal.
Many South Indian films I've watched because I've dubbed them.
Ah,
That's why
same,
I've
same.
watched
Yeah.
South Indian films.
but
Otherwise,
some are really cringe, like no,
Yeah.
कुछ action scenes.
yeah,
जो
but in that, I don't know what is this typical thing. There's a lot of violence, and the love story is very comic.
हाँ.
ऐसे दो विभिन्न चीजें
Have
हैं
you seen
उसमें.
Rajnikant?
No, Baba, no. They used to be
This
on
was
set,
fun.
Max and all these
Yeah.
films like
No, I've seen
Shivaji
in
the Boss and
theatre.
whatnot.
Yeah.
But no, the only ones I've seen and I've enjoyed to the fullest were Bahubali, both
Yeah.
of them. I've not watched Pushpa. I haven't watched any of those other KGF. कुछ भी नहीं देखा है मैंने. And Kantara. I'm very sorry. Some are Kannada, some are Telugu.
Yeah.
Not all are the same.
Yeah.
But if I talk about South Indian films per se, then. But my mom was watching a film. It starred Rashmika Mandana. And I don't know the actor's name. Very good looking guy. That was a very good film, and she's acted so well in that. I think it's called Girlfriend or something like that.
हाँ. Girlfriend.
It was a very different kind of a film.
I'm yet to watch that.
Yeah. So, but let's be honest, South Indian films get a lot of traction. They get a lot of
Yeah.
audience. They get a lot of viewership, and a lot is spoken.
I think their industries also, I mean, probably their unions are stronger. I don't know.
And no, audience is also like
Audience,
that.
yeah.
And they are so staunchly against Hindi or
Yeah.
that kind of a thing
Yeah.
that they've preserved that.
Yeah, and
novelty
somehow
and
non-South
uniqueness.
Indian audience also, they have a lot of non-South Indian audience.
Yeah, of course. Like
Yeah,
so many
it's
of
thriving
my
on, yeah.
friends and cousins, they watch only South Indian movies.
Yeah.
Especially the Malayalam films. They are apparently excellent.
Yeah.
you know. So that's the thing about films today, I feel like. But I honestly, I tell you, I miss the era. I miss the 2000s era the most, because that was the time when I was actually growing up. We had films like Hum Tum and Hey Baby, and you know, those kind of films.
Sarfarosh.
Sarfarosh was much
Much
before
late.
that. Although because of Sarfarosh, my first crush was Sonali Bendre. But you know, that time I really miss. Kabhi Alvida Na
Alvida Na
Kehna,
Kehna, yeah.
those kind of
yeah.
time that I'm speaking about.
Yeah. So what's your verdict? OTT or theater?
आई वुड से हम टाइम के साथ चलेंगे. हम नॉस्टैल्जिया में चले जाएंगे, और अच्छा है वो कि वो दौर अच्छा था, लेकिन आज के दौर में जो है, लेट्स एक्सेप्ट इट एंड
I
एंजॉय
rest my
बोथ.
case.
नो, लेट्स एक्सेप्ट इट जो आज है, एंड लेट्स एंजॉय बोथ यार.
Huh. If you say so, whichever I can't watch in the theaters, I'll watch it on OTT.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
So tell us, what do you like, what do you prefer, and what particular change you would like to see in the future, and what kind of change you think the future is beholding.
Yes.
Till then, bye
Bye-bye.
bye.